Capstone Assignment 3. The burning of fossil fuels is creating a large amount of CO2 in the atmosphere. This is causing global warming, and this is getting worse and worse. When carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, only 50% remains in the atmosphere, while 25% of it is absorbed by plants and trees, and that leaves 25% of it to CO2 left. This is then absorbed by the ocean. The high amounts of CO2 being absorbed into the ocean is having a large impact on the increase in global warming. The west coast of South America has a large increase of CO2 in the ocean. So today I'm going to focus on Arequipa. There have been many predictions that by 21,000 the pH of the ocean in Arequipa will be permanently lowered. The increase of CO2 is warming the earth. With this, when causing there to be an even bigger increase in CO2 in the atmosphere. Having an increase in the coastline ocean is changing the pH balance. This then is causing sea life to die off because they need a certain balance in order to sustain their life. With the damage it is causing, coral to die, plankton to not be able to survive, and the amount of fish is depleting, along with the rest of the sea life. The biggest problem people in this area is facing is now having sea life deplete. The increase of CO2 is only going to get worse unless we do something about this. We are destroying our sea life, and we are going to cause all the sea life to die, and we need sea life. Overall, we are destroying our oceans. Some sections are being more affected than others right now, but soon it will be all of it. There is no way to fix this unless everyone is willing to try. At the end of the day, we need to get the increase of CO2 sustained, because even if we are going to be able to fix the issue with the ocean not absorbing as much, this then leaves it in the atmosphere, which then increases global warming even more. Either way, it is a lose-lose. People need to make a change, and it is going to have to be with decreasing the use of fossil fuels, because this is what is causing a big amount of the problem. Everyone needs to find alternative things to use other than fossil fuels. For example, electric cars is a solution. There are ways to fix this problem. We just need to be willing to make the change.